how to create Drumcode Lowe End like this. Although this type of low end used a lot in Drumcode tracks, I think it's important to learn it because you can use it really across the genres. Let's hop in. We will start with a kick like this. Simple, smooth, but still basic kick. Contrary to popular belief, this type of low end actually requires you to have really long kick tail like this. This is really long. And the second one will be your fat sub bass. Use any synthesizer that you want. This will be really hitting on the off bass. So it's like kick bass, and it's our key. So we're gonna do something like this. Let's get the groove a bit. And then we're gonna go filter. Give a bit dry, a bit fat. Get it to mono, get random 0. I'm gonna go to my own like that. Can probably drop it here. Maybe can get a slight. Yes, and then we're gonna get the fat envelope like this. Put it to cut off. Can probably get away with 24 here, to be honest. With attack. Good. I'm gonna go to effects and add a distortion. EQ. Soften up a bit. That. Then we need the color. Gonna get another serum. I'm gonna start very simple. I'm gonna duplicate this. Get that Fs here like this. The idea is creating this kind of analog sounding top layer. We can even make it simpler for us actually. Let's take one more. Something like this. Create a really long envelope. Mono. Like this. And create some kind of like this long tail envelope on top. Gonna give it, change the shape. One octave down. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider like and subscribe, and I promise to make more videos like this. We need a heavy sidechain. We want this one to be really groove very hard. Like this. I think we are too fast here. Let's make it cooler. Create another LFO, put it to cutoff. So we can create this breathing vibe together. This one is even cooler. Again, we are adjusting around. Now the one thing I want is not the sub bass here, right? We are gonna cut this off with linear phase actually. Now we're gonna play around a little bit. Let's make this fatter, get a bit distortion. Let's get a bit delay. Actually, I'm using it a bit chorus too, because this is just top player in that. Gonna bit gentle. Now we're gonna decorize the whole low end. The way I want to do is actually first add a snaring pad so we can feel the groove. Groove is really important to get this cool moving low end going. Let's go to our David analog hi-hat. Just get the off hat. This will really give us the foundation of the groove. Is he using this one? He's really using this one, isn't he? Feels like he did something like this. A bit reverb. I know that snare too. What is this one? I think it's kind of EQ'd and yeah, it's like this. We're gonna do our classic snare thing, just a bit reverb. This we know Chris is like in Mercurial Tones. Like this, overdrive. So we have this nice ambience going on. Now we're gonna start adding some ear candies to this. Now this is enough for the feeling the groove. Right? We can feel the groove now. Adjust the automation a bit and let's do a bit delay too. We got the effects. I have my own delay chain here. It's basically just a delay and a bit of reverb and high and low pass. And for this part, we are going to actually use something like this. So that every time clean signal hits, we duck the delay a bit. Go to EQ, cut super highs a bit, boost here and here. Again, I don't want it too loud because I want to put a bit more candies here. If you only use this one as your main color base, then you can actually make it a bit louder and so on. But I'm going to keep it a bit more subtle now because I want to show you different ways of adding color to your bass. I'm going to exaggerate a bit, put more candies on top of each other, but this is the fun part. Let's get a serum. Now, because we are more ear candy area, I'm going to go for one of my presets that I'm looking for one-shot type of sound so that I can place them. Like this, right? Let's take that. Again, once you place it, you can actually try different sounds. And I'm going to put it off beat. And because now we are making this more call and response and coloring after stuff, I'm going to actually extend my loop. Right? We can maybe go even more. Yeah, that's good. Let's make it darker. Gonna get EQ, cut the highs a bit. Now I want more dum-dum kind of hits. Hard to explain. Like a bit resonant maybe. Let's go to basses again. Doesn't matter, to be honest, Forge may be good enough here. Or Verge maybe. Something like that, right? We're gonna go here. That slight distortion sound. Volume down. There we go, maybe here. Make it darker. Maybe even deeper. Here actually. You can even here actually experiment a bit more. I'm thinking like dark tom-like sounds. I'm gonna go for sample pack. Onyx over here. This should have some type of dongs here. Let's try this. It's coming really well together, but the one thing that I want to put them into same room. And I'm going to group them up, put a reverb. Too loud. Right? And send it a bit to delay. Ping pong maybe? Let's listen together. time, definitely need to play around. Like I'm thinking now adding a double kick. Make it smaller. Here we need some type of effects, like a bass effects, I will say. Let's go splice for that. This may or may not work. This part is really, you should experiment a little bit. Don't really scared of going around and trying things. Gonna feed this. Let the tail pass, but you can do actually just take this and put it here. Great. It is really coming together well, isn't it? Again, most of things I'm doing on the go, really not thinking about too much. Just something in your head, something that comes to your mind, you should just go for it. The final piece of the puzzle, actually adding a warm pad just fills in the background. You can use any sound, anything that you want. The laziest way that I'm going to do now is actually getting something like serum and playing pad and just filtering out. So you get that warmth going on the bottom end. I'm going to just take two now. Gonna go to my Silk here. Silk has some really cool pads. Gonna just actually extend this. Again, I'm really interested on the warmth. While this is a rich sound, yes, and maybe slight duck, it should be barely audible to be fair. Right? And then comes your playgrounds. For example, I would definitely think about taking something like EQ8, like this. And then turn it on here. Right? And there you have it. Lately, a lot of Drumcode tracks use this type of Lowe End, so I want to just make a quick video. But if you want to learn more about Lowe End, take a look at here. I have more videos here.